Welcome to Chapter 4, Lesson 8. The essential question for this chapter is, how can I communicate multiplication? Today's lesson is about multiplying with regrouping. Using base 10 blocks, base 10 blocks can be used to multiply two-digit numbers. So let's take a look at the example. Zach bought 13 packages. There are 4 in each package, so 13 groups of 4. How many light bulbs are there in all? Now, we know from the commutative property that it's all right if we model 4 times 13 or 13 times 4. So they've chosen 4 times 13. Okay, so you got your 4 groups of 13. Okay. Multiply the ones and regroup. So we have 12 ones, which we can make into one long one or 110 and 2 ones left over. Okay, so 2 ones left and 1 extra 10. Okay, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 tens, and we added 1, so that makes 5. Or you can do it thinking 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Multiply the tens, add the regroup 10. So 4 times 13 is 52. And then you can use the distributive property. Okay, so it's just another way to do it. To break this down in expanded form, this would be 10 plus 3. Okay, 10 and 3, and you multiply both. So 4 times 10 is 40, and 4 times 3 is 12, so 52. And again, the distributive property might not seem that important now, but when you get to algebra, the distributive property is very important, so it's good for us to learn it in grade 4. Okay, let's flip over to the other side. Will make $6 an hour shampooing dogs at a pet shop. Last month, he worked 38 hours. How much money will he earn? Or did Will earn? 38 times 6. So just estimating, remember you look to the highest place value. So 5 and up, push it up. So this becomes 40, and then times 6. And I know that 4 times 6 is 24, and then count the same amount of zeros, so 240. So my answer should be close to 240. Okay, first step, multiply the ones. So 6 times 8 is 48. Okay, so I have 8 ones, so I leave the 8 ones here. 8 ones. And what do I do with the tens? I have 4 tens left over, so I'm going to add them up here. Okay, now multiply the tens. 6 times 3. 6 times 3. 6 times 3 is 18. Okay. And I have to now add the regroup 10. So 18 plus 4, which is 22. Okay, so I do the same process over again. I'm going to leave the tens, okay, this number, and then I'm going to add the next one. But 6 times, there's nothing here, right? There would be a 0 there. There's nothing there, so add the 2. 6 times 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. Okay. So Will earned $228. Okay, let's check for reasonableness. The product, 228, is close to the estimate. Our estimate was 240. Fairly close. Okay, and for our picture today, I drew a cute little doggy. It's like maybe a basset hound or something like that. Okay, and before you go, let's take a look at page 244, the Building on Essential Questions exercise. What steps can I use to multiply by a two-digit number with regrouping? So I said I can multiply ones and regroup, multiply tens and regroup, etc. So Just like here, you multiply the ones, regroup, multiply tens, regroup, and go on and on. All right, see you in class.